Welcome to the midday recap. So let me see. In the morning we did the routine. Let me remove the camera here so we have more space. Logitech go, and then I open this. So the news, top news, main front page. Okay, FBI news, Trump, Fed, view of neutral, Fed custody, de-dollarization alarm. This was there this morning, 3 hours ago. So nothing changed, no major news, not major catalyst. When I mean catalyst, something like AMD or something like Oracle or something like that, something major that can change the tone of the market. Here's my website. So we load, for those that didn't watch the routine. So what we have here is the Nikkei higher, and we have a couple days of consolidation in the in the S&P 500 and the UK. You can see the big rectangle here on Asia. Nothing new. The down day is going to be fixed with today's price action. They fell. You see, this is the down day the other day. Yesterday, it's going to be fixed in the Nasdaq the same. Now, as of the close yesterday, gold is about 52% year to date. Nothing to point out here. And here we can say the Bitcoin again is quite strong. Silver performed very well this week. So here we have the data for the last week. Silver very good. Gold very good. The Nikkei very good. On the S&P 500 flat is about, you can see it's about flat for, oops. Let me see. So the S&P 500 is about flat for the last two columns. That is about 15 trading days. And let's move to the live data on the market. So here what we can see is the gap. No gaps. Let me maximize this. So the yesterday's sell-off fell. It took the previous day low, but it fell to take this area here where we said, okay, these pullbacks are probably buying opportunities if there is no change or if there is not major change in the market. As of now, we are about to take all-time highs in the Nasdaq. And this happened in a very, let me open the longer term, a very interesting manner. Yesterday we had this sell-off. This is the first line where we did not enter. We continue to trade higher, and as you can see, right now we are about to take this all-time high from the overnight yesterday. If we go to the volume profile, we can focus on the main equities. Apple trading a bit higher, Nvidia not breaking away, right? None of these stocks are breaking away. It's true that Amazon is pushing the last 5 days high. Broadcom fell to capture yesterday, so now it's a new reversal, consolidation of Meta. There is this low that was respected both yesterday and today, and Tesla is one of the weakest ones so far, and that tried to print lower, and right now is holding at 0.34 from yesterday. this this value area here that we have the V shape. This value was tested today, but now we're trading near the high. So let's focus on the short-term ES and Nasdaq. What we can say, let me remove this. What we can say here is, hey, here we have a hammer, here we have a hammer, rejection points, and can we take this higher? Yeah, it's not so easy, but this, if it was, this was the trade of the day. Volume profile on the ES, we can see the sell-off from yesterday, capturing, taking just the 2 days ago low and 3 days again low, consolidation in this area, and now trying to make all-time highs again. Like we mentioned, this is a very strong market. There is no catalyst for the market to stop trading higher. Yesterday, this morning, most of the sectors were negative. Now only consumer staple, consumer discretionary, financials, energy, communications, and utilities are down in the day. The volumes keep increasing. The ticks is true that was holding below zero. Now we saw one candle closing below. We're holding above zero, one candle closing below zero, but now we're pushing again. So nothing to see continuation to the downside. Let's see how we close, and that's all for the market update. If you have any questions, just feel free to write in the comments. If you find this valuable, join the Discord. A way to join the Discord is going to the routine. This is a link, and click here, and or better, go to run bots. If you go to run bots, here we load display name, launch Discord. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.